If compressed air supply is a cornerstone of your production, a total responsibility service plan is the best way to ensure its reliable performance.
For an even more solid assurance, it can include the Uptime Performance Care, our pledge that your equipment will be available for an agreed percentage of the time.
Achieving high availability means getting maximum lifetime out of your machine components without risking breakdowns or an increase in energy consumption. And it also means keeping service downtime to a minimum. Thanks to SmartLink monitoring, we keep an eye on machine parameters that have an impact on component lifetime, such as running hours, load-unload behavior, ambient conditions, oil temperatures and pressures, and many more. This enables us to know exactly when it's time to replace components to ensure continued reliable performance. By continuously analyzing machine data using artificial intelligence and smart algorithms, our diagnostics experts can predict and prevent failures. This extra maintenance or repair is taken care of proactively during a planned visit. As a result, additional stops of your production are avoided, and we stay ahead of any problems that might occur due to a component failure. All service is performed by our expert technicians, the true guardians of your compressed air system.
Keep your compressed air equipment up and running. Go for the Atlas Copco Uptime Performance Care.